Hello students, welcome once again to another section. Now we have an expression over here and we have to solve for x. Now you realize that in the given expression the bases are not the same, right? So we can't equate the exponents. So in this case what we do is to apply log on both sides. So let's quickly do that. So we have x plus 1 here, then 7x minus 2. We apply log on both sides, right? So on both sides we apply log. We have 5x here, 2, then log 7 exponent x minus 2. Now from here this exponent move in front here and this exponent also moves in front here. That's one property of log, so we have s plus 2, then the log of 5 here being equal to s minus 2 and the log of 7 here, right? So what we'll do is to expand this. So x multiplied by that, we have x log 5 here plus 2 log 5 here being equal to s log 7 here minus 2 log 7 here. So what we'll do next is to group items. Since we have x here and x here, and also we have 2 log and 2 log here, let's group items. So we have x log 5 here minus x log 7 here being equal to, so let's bring the negative outside so that we can have, when this crosses become negative, so we have 2 log 7 here plus then 2 log 5 and 2 log 7. So since we are looking for x, or we want to find x in this case, so x here will just be so we can factorize x out here. So factorizing x out, we have log 5 here minus log 7 here being equal to, so let's just bring the negative back, log 5 here, right? So we divide here by log 5 minus log 7, then divide here also by log 5 minus log 7. This gets rid of that, and therefore we can get the x here. So we cannot get s here being equal to the log of 7 minus 2 the log of 5 here, then divided by, we have log 5 here minus log 7 here, and when we compute this, then we should get the value to be 21.133. so approximately s here is 2.13 here, right? So thank you very much for joining me in this section. If this is your first time on this channel, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is released. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another section.